Guys, welcome to another video from CarAndTech. So I'm going to tell you how you can put a custom wallpaper in your Pebble Cosmos Ultra watch using the app that is provided. So it's very simple, guys. You just need to open the Cloud Pro app, and what you need is you have to go to device. Okay, you have to go to device. Then what you have to do is you have to go to dial library, right? In dial library you can see lots and lots of wallpapers, but what you need to do is you need to click on the first wallpaper, as you can see, right? So as I have already put a custom wallpaper before, that is why this picture is being shown, but I wanted to put another custom wallpaper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this plus button, right? If you want, you can take a new picture or you can go to the gallery and see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on gallery and I'm going to put this picture right as my custom wallpaper on my Pebble Cosmos Ultra watch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just give OK, right? As you can see, this picture is already there, but here what you can do is you can position the time and the date to different areas, where I'm going to position it here down, so you can see the time and the date, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this as my custom wallpaper or my watch face. So I'm going to give set as, and it's showing like, do you want to confirm to replace the existing wallpaper? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give confirm, right? As you can see, this is the watch. This is the wallpaper which was there previously. So right now it is downloading the wallpaper, the new custom wallpaper, onto the watch. Because it's a custom wallpaper, it will take some time, but make sure whatever your photo you're uploading is in the 4:3 photo format. When you click a photograph, it should always be in the 4:3 ratio. So right now, as you can see the wallpaper has actually come onto the watch. So this is a very simple procedure, guys. If you have any doubts or comments, just put in the comment section. I'll answer you. So that's it for this video now, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up for this video.